Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. I made $108 with CPA marketing, or CPAGrip to be precise, right here, using free traffic. And if you do stick onto this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact same steps which I actually did to make such amount. I'm going to show you the right way to actually go on to doing this right here and make some cool cash online. And if you're actually excited about this, guys, make sure you do leave a like button to this particular video. You could also head onto my channel, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all right now, so that I do alert you whenever I release some cool and amazing videos that could help boost your income online, because I create videos daily about CPA marketing and how to make money online. If you like such content, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So what you want to do first of all is to head onto a platform like CPAGrip and actually go on to creating an account on this platform. You can click on register, be brought to the page right here, and actually provide your basic details like your first name, your last name. You can actually do skip the company and website because they are optional right now, as they don't have these red asterisk signs. You could go on to filling out the street address, the country of residence, the city, state and region, zip code, phone number, Skype ID name, your email address. You want to put in a password which you want to use for your account and confirm that password. Select a time zone. You could skip this section, where did you hear about us, because that is actually optional, or you could just simply put in something like a YouTube video right there if you want to just simply fill that out. And right now in this section, you could actually go on to checking these boxes to agree to the terms of service and get your account created right now by clicking on register. Once you do that, click on login and actually go on to login into your account. So as you can see, I'm actually logged into my account, and to get to this page where I am right now, just simply go on to selecting the My Offers option under the Offer Tools section. Once you do that right here, you will be brought to a page that will look similar to this. You can filter the offers to actually getting offers from all countries, where you can actually do see some cool and amazing offers available to countries all around the world. You can see right here for this offer right here is actually available to the United Kingdom demographic. This one is available to the Montenegro demographic. This is for Portugal. This is for Jordan. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots and lots of cool offers. What I'm going to do is to click on payout, and it's actually going to go on to filtering my offers to showing me from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. So take a look at this right now. These are actually the highest paying offers which are available to the Belgium demographic. This offer actually pays you about $30 approximately, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots of offers right here. Now what I want to do is to select a kind of a cool sweepstake offer right now. It's actually kind of a giveaway offer right here. So I'm just going to keep on scrolling through, and you can see right here this offer right now is actually a very cool one right now to promoting maybe or a giveaway for an iPhone 14 Pro right now. You can see right here that it's available to the Italian demographic. It's an Android offer and a credit card submit offer. All you need to do right now is to actually go on to promoting this offer using this affiliate link right now. You could actually keep on scrolling through to actually go on to checking out other sweepstake offer which are giveaway offers right now, and you'll be able to see some cool ones right now. So supposing I still want to stick with this offer right here, I'm just going to copy the link to this offer, head on to the platform like the breezy.io to create a simple landing page. I'm going to go on to logging into my account right here because I already have an account created. If you don't have one, just simply click on get started. It's free, and get your account created just by signing up with your email address. Now once you've signed up right here, I'm just going to select the Breezy Cloud right here to actually go on to creating a landing page from this particular website right now. And I'm going to select new project right here, select the website and landing page, and it's actually going to show me a section where I can actually go on to selecting templates which I want to use. I'm just going to go on to using a blank template right here because I just want to create something quite simple and easy right now. As you can see, I'm required to wait a few seconds to complete the process. So what I want to do right now is to click on this plus icon. You'll be able to see some blocks templates which you can actually go on to utilizing right now, and you can just simply take a look at them right here. This is how cool templates are on this particular platform. Supposing I want to select one of these templates or just simply use something quite simple, I'm just going to select this template right now, and this is actually for a video, so I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to remove this right now. So guys, I'm just going to go on to selecting this create your own right here to actually create one from scratch. I'm going to click on this plus icon and drag in a text right here. to this particular section. So once I do that right now, I'm just going to change this particular text, and you can see right here it says free iPhone 14 Pro giveaway for the first 10 people right now. You want to just simply make this bold, and I'm actually going to go on to increasing the font size right now. So right now I'm just going to go on to increasing this to something quite big right now, and I'm actually going to go on to centralizing this particular text, which you can actually see right here. So if I do go on to changing the color to black, because I want this to actually be in black right now, I'm actually going to go on to centralizing this via this particular section. You can see how cool it actually looks like. So next guys, you want to just simply go on to adding this particular an image right now from this element section. So I'm just going to drag this and drop in this section, and for that image right now, maybe I'm just going to go online and actually go on to searching for iPhone 14 Pro. So once I do search for that, I'm going to go onto the image section to actually check for cool images right now, and maybe I'm just going to select one of the images which I actually can see right now. Maybe I'm going to use this image right here. You can see how the image actually goes on to looking like. I'm just going to right click on the image and actually just save the image on my device right now. So once the image has actually been saved, I'm going to head back to that landing page, click on this particular image icon, select this image right here, click on this upload icon, and actually select that particular iPhone images. So you can see right here that this has actually been inserted. Maybe I can actually go into reducing the size right now to basically anything I do want right now. You can see how cool it actually looks like. I'm just going to leave that as it is right now. So next, you want to just simply go into adding a simple button right now, and I'm just going to select the button and drag to this section right here. For that button right now, you want to just simply put in something like this, which says claim now. And right now I'm just going to increase the font size to this particular button text. So once I actually do increase this right here to something quite big right now, I'm just going to highlight this, click on this chain icon, go back to my CPA marketing offer, copy the link address right now, head back to my landing page, and actually paste that in the URL section right here. So once that has actually been pasted, for anybody that do click on this section which says claim now, it's automatically going to take them to my CPA marketing offer. I can actually do the same thing for the image right now and actually go on to adding that right here in this section. So you can see how cool this actually looks right now. So once this has actually been done right here, you want to just simply go on to clicking on publish page right now, and if you can see that right here, you can actually go back to this particular dashboard section. But you do head back to the dashboard section. First of all, I think I have to save this right now. I'm going to click on save layout, and once that has actually been saved, I'm going to head back to my dashboard. So this is the project right here. You want to click on this particular icon right now, and you're going to go on to select a subdomain. Give it a very cool domain name right now. Maybe I'm just going to give it something related to iPhone giveaway. So if I click on submit right now, you will see this is actually available right here. And once I actually do come right here, I'm just going to copy this domain to this particular landing page. I'm going to promoting that using this particular free ad platform called the Backpage.com. Once you head on to Backpage, you want to just simply click on post ad right now, and if you do that right here guys, you'll find out that this is actually an amazing free ad platform you can go on to utilizing right now to get traffic to that particular CPA marketing offer. So right now you guys, all you need to do to sign up with Google right now, or your email address. Once that has actually been done, come right here, click on post ad right now, and if you do that right here, click on post free ad, and you're going to go on to selecting the country which you want to promote your ad to. Maybe I'm going to select Europe right now. I'm going to selecting that particular country, which is actually Italy. You can see the country right here, and you can just simply select a city right there in that particular country. Select a particular category of offer right now. I'm just going to select something at random right here, and if I just select something right here, maybe the miscellaneous as a subcategory right now, you can just simply go on to giving this a simple title, a description right here, which I'm going to show you right now. So you can put in a title such as this, which says free iPhone 14 giveaway for first 10 people, and you can just simply go on to typing in a description similar to this. In this section, you want to just simply say copy and paste link on your browser, and you want to just simply paste in the link to that particular landing page right here, and you can go on to filling out other sections like your age, location, contact email, mobile number, and fill out all these sections right here. And once you're actually done guys, just simply agree to the terms of service right now and complete this captcha right here, and just simply click on continue. Once you do that right here, guys, as you can see right now, it's going to take me to the second page, which is actually to review my ad. I'm just going to complete this captcha right here, and you can actually do see how the ad is actually going to look like right here. And these are more details before you can actually go on to clicking on place ad. And you can see right here it says your ad has been posted successfully. This is actually an easy strategy to use to get a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers for absolutely free right now. So why not try this out right now and go on to promoting offers right there, because as you can see right now, for this offer right now, you're going to get paid $17.11. So supposing you do get about 3 leads each and every single day, I'm just going to multiply $17.11 multiplied by 3, and you're going to see the amount you're going to earn right now, about $51 every single day if you are just getting 3 leads. So imagine you're getting more than that particular amount of leads to that particular offer, or you are actually promoting multiple CPA marketing offers using that particular platform by posting as much ads as you can on that platform to various locations. You're going to be earning some cool cash right now. To utilize this and make money online, if the video was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.